Hey guys, so I'm back teaching you how to use nunchucks. Last video we were learning how to do an overhand pass. So now we're going to work off this into combining the two, figure eight and the overhand pass. I want this to be delicate. This is for beginners. If you already know how to use this, then you don't really need to watch this video, but if you do, then I'm just trying to help you out in the best way I can. So, if you know have been practicing your figure eight, then just practice that for a minute or two to get your warm-up back on. And then you want to spin your nunchucks, do the overhand pass, so like this. Okay, now go slow with this. Try to go at like a 30% speed, you know? Spin your nunchucks. Okay, practice that figure eight, then you just want to go at it. Spinning, then overhand, catch right here, okay, then spin again, overhand, catch right here too. Can't emphasize that enough, okay, like that, okay. Very simple. We're just building off of what we've already learned and adding the two together. So, do you figure eight? Do you figure eight? Also, what you can learn is when you're spinning and you're about to do the overhand pass, what happens is when you get to here, you're gonna start spinning where your nunchuck goes like this. If this does happen and it's going this way instead of that way, what you wanna do is you wanna take your hand outward, okay, and hit right here in like the middle of your armpit. It's not gonna hurt really. Hit there and then you just bounce back. It bounces back and then you start spinning backwards and then catch. Okay, you don't want to try to catch like that because we like this. Okay, you want to hit your armpit, go slow with that. So like this, in slow motion. Okay. Next video, we'll just have to see. I might teach you this, particularly one of my favorite moves. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to help out my channel, okay? And I'll see you in the next video.